new video. I am Samina. Today we paint the beautiful healthy fruits. This beautiful color used in the healthy fruits. Light green color in fruits leaves. Strawberry. Apple leaves. Orange leaves. Grapes leaves. Red color in apple. I like the apple. Yellow color in mango. Red color in strawberry. Light green color in grapes. Yellow color. Purple color. Orange color in orange fruit. Wow, kids, our beautiful healthy fruits are ready. Subscribe my channel. See you next video. Bye bye.